Dashboards are powerful tools for visualizing data and gaining insights into various aspects of business performance. They provide interactive and intuitive interfaces for users to explore and analyze data. Here are some of the key components and features of SAC dashboards. A plant maintenance dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of maintenance activities, equipment performance, work order status, and resource utilization within a manufacturing or industrial plant. It serves as a central hub for monitoring, analyzing, and optimizing maintenance activities within manufacturing or industrial plants. The KPIs displayed are maintenance cost, which provides insights into the financial aspects of maintenance activities within a manufacturing or industrial plant. Operating time measures the total duration during which equipment or assets are actively operating and available for production or other operational activities within a specified time period. Similarly, other KPIs provide valuable insights into the performance and effectiveness of plant maintenance activities, enabling organizations to optimize maintenance processes, enhance equipment reliability, and improve overall operational efficiency. For more information of the other KPIs and their impact on the dashboard and decision-making, please contact us at VASPP Technologies. Now moving on to the charts such as cost of production, operating time, and total units produced provides a visual overview of key metrics related to plant maintenance and production activities. A heat map displaying failure causes per equipment critically provides a visual representation of critical equipment failures categorized by their root causes. Similarly, we have other charts with various other dimensions and measures as per the customer's requirement. There are some exciting features in the dashboard such as sorting. It is a crucial feature for organizing data in a way that highlights important trends and insights. Proper sorting can help in understanding data better by arranging it in a meaningful order, such as ascending or descending values, alphabetical order, or custom orders. We can sort accordingly as per the customer requirement. Rank feature enables stakeholders to identify top performers, outliers, or trends within datasets and make data-driven decisions effectively. By this feature, one can quickly identify top performers and recognize any outliers or areas needing improvement. Then coming on to filters, it allows users to interactively analyze data by selecting specific criteria to focus on. These filters such as equipment category, and location helps users narrow down data to relevant subsets, enabling deeper insights and analysis. These are the sample filters that we have added in the dashboard, but SAC allows us to use any dimensions or measures as filters so that different scenarios of the data can be visualized. A plant maintenance analysis page provides a comprehensive overview and analysis of maintenance activities, equipment performance, work order management, and resource utilization within a manufacturing or industrial plant. The KPIs such as the number of unplanned maintenance tasks, number of planned maintenance tasks, number of failures, and downtime duration are used to assess the efficiency, reliability, and performance of maintenance activities within a manufacturing or industrial plant. Moving to other details in the page on charts, such as a bar chart displaying downtime duration per equipment category, provides a visual representation of the total duration of unplanned equipment downtime categorized by different equipment categories within a manufacturing or industrial plant. A pie chart displaying the number of failures per equipment category as a percentage provides a visual representation of the distribution of equipment failures across different equipment categories within a manufacturing or industrial plant. Similarly, other charts are mapped against various dimensions and measures as per the customer requirement. The feature-linked analysis allows users to create dynamic connections between different visualizations or components within a story or dashboard. This feature enables users to interactively explore data by selecting elements in one visualization to filter or highlight related data in another visualization. Similarly, we have used sample filters as the previous page. A plant maintenance detail page provides a comprehensive view of maintenance activities, equipment performance, work order management, and other relevant details related to plant maintenance within a manufacturing or industrial facility. Charts displaying the cost of production per location and ideal cycle time, total units produced per equipment, provide valuable insights into plant maintenance and production activities. By analyzing these charts, stakeholders can identify areas for improvement, optimize production processes, and drive continuous improvement to achieve operational excellence in manufacturing and industrial plants. A plant maintenance detail table typically consists of dimensions and measures that organize and quantify the data related to maintenance activities, equipment performance, resource utilization, and cost analysis. The use of filters such as maintenance priority, maintenance type, and location allows users to dynamically control the data displayed in visualizations or tables. It enables users to refine and customize their analysis of process control activities, compliance, and performance metrics. It's not over yet. SAC also allows export of the data from individual charts or entire dashboards from SAP Analytics Cloud, ensuring that your data insights are easily shareable and accessible to your intended audience. It is a useful feature for sharing insights and reports with stakeholders who may not have direct access to SAC. We can export into Excel, then show, and can extract table data into Excel, and finally, exporting dashboard as PDF. Models in SAC define how data is organized, stored, and processed, enabling users to build accurate and insightful reports and dashboards. They support a wide range of features, from data integration and preparation to advanced analytics and collaboration, enabling users to create comprehensive and insightful analytic solutions. They are flexible as we can add additional fields as per the customer requirement. For further information on this dashboards, KPIs, modeling, and features, please contact VASPP Technologies.